When scanning for investment opportunities with EzyAnalyser, an invaluable feature when it comes to fine-tuning your strategy is the program's ability to add or remove different fields to the results display. Right now, I'm going to add two fundamental fields to my display to give you an example. First is dividend yield, a measure that tells you what percentage of the value of the shares in a particular company are returned as a dividend each year to the shareholder. Now, I don't want to only see the companies paying the highest dividend yield. Be careful not to fall into the trap of blindly investing in high dividend paying companies. If you scan purely for highest dividend yield, your results will likely include some weaker, high-risk companies despite their attractive dividend payouts. The reasons for a higher dividend yield are usually either because the company has simply increased the value of dividend payments, or the dividend yield might rise when the share price falls. Sometimes high dividend yielding companies have high yields because their share price has taken a dive. So the share price may seem like a good deal, but be careful, the company could be in serious trouble. If investing in more reliable high-yielding dividends is part of your investment strategy, you'll need to weed out the weaker companies. So how can we do that? Adding market capitalization to the field display helps to focus in on stronger companies as it gives an indication about a company's value. The fields here are set by default to exchange, code, name, and sector. Remember, I added dividend yield to my list earlier. To change the headings, just right-click anywhere on the display and left-click on List Configuration to bring up the field configuration window. All available fields are listed on the left. I'm looking to add market capitalization, so I select it, then click Add. Click Apply and Close. Now I can see market cap in my display. I can sort out the columns by clicking on the headings. I have sorted the market capitalization heading to get the high value companies up the top. And just looking at the top few, I can see those paying a good dividend yield. Any scan I choose to run on my stock list now will also display dividend yield and market capitalization, which I can then sort if I want to.